How to change chat theme on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the arrow icon on the top right of your screen and you will be led to the Messages tab. So go ahead and open the conversation from where you want to change the chat theme. Further, tap hold on the screen and you will be led to the theme tab. Just in case if you are not led to the theme tab, then tap on their profile name on top of their screen. Further, you will see the option for theme there, so tap on the theme option and in the interface that you will then be led to, scroll through and you will see a bunch of theme options. So go ahead and simply tap on the theme that suits your preference the best and then tap on the apply button you see there, and with this, the theme will be changed. So this is how you can change chat theme on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.